Are you ready to immerse yourself in captivating tales where fierce rivalries transform into passionate romances? Turkish dramas have mastered the art of turning animosity into affection, and if you're new to them, don't worry, you can watch these series with English subtitles. So, settle in as we explore the top 10 haters to lovers Turkish drama series of 2025. Let's begin. 1. Gelin, the bride behind the veil. Hanse has known struggle all her life. Orphaned at a young age, she agrees to an arranged marriage with Sihan, the heir of a powerful family, to pay for her brother's medical treatment. What starts as a cold, transactional union soon takes an unexpected turn, as buried secrets and unresolved pasts come to light. Will love emerge from the shadows of duty and deception? To witness their journey, watch this drama to unfold. 2. Ayaz Sonu Guns, Here Comes the Sun. For Guns, life was full of dreams until her brother was wrongfully imprisoned. Determined to bring him justice, she sets out on a mission of revenge, believing Ayaz is responsible. But what she doesn't know is that Ayaz is fighting his own demons, unaware of the role he played in her brother's fate. As their paths collide, hatred turns into an intense, undeniable bond. Can love survive the weight of vengeance? Find out in this gripping series. 3. Siyakalp, Black Heart. Years after being abandoned by their mother, twins Nuh and Melek arrive in Cappadocia to confront their past. Their presence unsettles the household, leading to bitter clashes, Nuh with Sevile and Meleka with Sihan, their mother's stepson. But as tensions rise, so does a deep, unspoken connection. Can they overcome resentment and heal the wounds of betrayal? Watch to uncover their fate. 4. Pyasa, Market. Istanbul's dazzling entertainment industry is no place for the weak, but Muneva, a young woman burdened by family responsibilities, has no choice but to step into it. She becomes the assistant of Kenan Akın, Turkey's biggest yet most troubled star. At first, their worlds clash, her practicality against his reckless lifestyle. But as they navigate dark secrets and ruthless manipulation, an unexpected spark ignites. Will love withstand the price of fame? Tune in to find out. 5. Bir Zamanlar Istanbul, Once upon a time in Istanbul. Ali, an aspiring literature teacher, never imagined his life would turn into a battlefield. When a dangerous gang destroys his family, he takes on a new identity, Koroglu, a vigilant who stands against oppression. Seher, a fearless radio host, initially condemns his actions, but soon finds herself drawn into his world. Their fiery arguments turn into something deeper, but in a city ruled by crime, can love survive the war for justice? Watch this intense drama to see how their story unfolds. 6. Sahipsizla, The Abandoned Ones. 6 siblings, one tragedy, and a city that shows no mercy. Left to fend for themselves in the streets of Istanbul, they struggle to survive. Along the way, unexpected encounters turn enemies into allies, and animosity into affection. But in a world where betrayal lurks around every corner, will love be enough to keep them together? Find out in this heart-touching drama. 7. San Kokusu, The Scent of the Chest. Karsu thought she had lost her son Kujay forever. Years later, when he is finally found, their reunion is anything but joyful. Kujay resents his mother, blaming her for their lost years, while Karsu struggles to reconnect with the child she once knew. As emotions clash and secrets resurface, will they ever bridge the painful gap between them? Watch this emotional roller coaster to see what happens next. 8. Inci Taneleri, Pearl Grains. Azem Yusada has just been released from prison, but freedom comes with its own burdens. Carrying a painful past and a dangerous secret, she embarks on a journey to find her children, facing hostility at every step. Along the way, unlikely alliances form, emotions stir, and old wounds threaten to reopen. Can Azem reclaim her lost life, or will the past continue to haunt her? Don't miss this compelling drama. 9. Gaddar, No Mercy. Returning home after years in the military, then finds his neighborhood unrecognizable, overrun by crime. With his family in danger, He is forced to make a choice, walk away or fight back. When a mysterious figure offers him a job as a hitman, his life takes a dark turn. But as he becomes entangled in Istanbul's underworld, will he lose himself in the very thing he swore to destroy? Watch this thrilling series to find out. 10. Ujak Sahir, Distant City. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with nothing but her deceased husband's body and their 5-year-old son. She plans to fulfill his last wish and leave, but the Albora family's patriarch, Sihan, has other plans. She cannot take the child. Trapped in a land filled with dark secrets and unwelcome truths, Alia's hatred towards Sihan slowly transforms into something unexpected. Will love rewrite her fate, or is she destined to remain a prisoner of her past? Dive into this mysterious love story to uncover the answer. These series beautifully depict the transformative power of love, turning enmity into affection. Which of these dramas captivated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of Turkish dramas.